Okay, so these were the balancing of the redox reaction using the oxidation number method. Now the steps which I had given you last time, I'll just apply those steps but in a shortcut method. Okay, all the steps will be applied but in a shorter way. So I'll just discuss the seventh one. It was BiOH thrice plus SnOH thrice negative, giving Bi plus SnOH 2 negative, and the reaction is taking place in basic medium. Okay, so to balance this redox reaction using the oxidation number method, the step 1 was assign the oxidation number to the species which is undergoing the change. So here bismuth and Sn are the species which are undergoing the change. So what is the oxidation number of bismuth? Those who have solved, they can speak.
+3.
+3, because OH has a -1. So on calculation, it will be assigned an oxidation state of +3. For Sn,
+2.
+2. Bi in the neutral form would be
0
0 and
+4
and +4.
+4. Okay. So now in the step 1, we also see are all the atoms barring hydrogen and oxygen is balanced or not. So if we look at Bi and Sn, they are balanced. Then we move to step number 2, in which we observe that Bi is undergoing reduction and Sn is undergoing
oxidation.
oxidation. Okay. Then step number 3, we find the increase per atom and then multiply by number of atoms present to get the net increase. So the increase is for Sn from +2 to +4. So increase +2 का है and number of Sn on both sides is 1 only. So net increase होगा +2. Net decrease for Bi will be of -3. Number of atom is 1. So here it will be -3. Clear? Then in step number 4, we balance the net increase with the net decrease, and this is the main concept behind the balancing. The total increase should be balanced by the total decrease. So now to balance this, I should multiply the increase wala species by 3 and decrease wala species by 2. So that अब increase होगा +6 और decrease भी होगा -6. तो फंडा क्या था, मैंने क्या बोला था, LCM ले लो. So 2 and 3 का LCM would be 6, and for 2 multiply by 3 and for 3 multiply by 2. ठीक है? So now the Bi wala species, which is the decrease, would be multiplied by 2 on both sides, and the Sn wala species will be multiplied by 3 again on both sides. उसके बाद आता है balancing of oxygen atom. So I'll just rewrite this: twice of BiOH thrice plus 3 SnOH3 negative, and I'll just write the product on the second line, which is 2 Bi and 3 SnOH 2 negative. Yes, how many oxygen on the left?
15.
It is 2 into O3, that is 6, plus 3 into O3, that is 9. So it will be equal to 15. And on the right,
18.
18. So the side which is deficient of oxygen should be balanced by adding that many water molecules. Rule क्या था, जिस side पे deficiency है उतने water को add कर दो. So you will be adding how many H2O?
3.
3 on the left to balance the 15 with 18. Correct. Next comes the balancing of hydrogen. So hydrogen count karo on the left. It is 2 into 3 6 plus 3 into 3 9, that is 15, and plus 6, that is 21 hydrogen on the left, and 3 6 are 18. So 18 on the right. So the deficiency is on the right and of 3 hydrogen and would be balanced by adding 3H plus on the right. करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. उसके बाद since this is basic medium, add OH minus equal to H plus ions on both the sides to get rid of the H plus ions. So I'll be adding 3 OH minus here and 3 OH minus over here. Now if you see, the 3H plus and OH minus is neutralized to give 3H2O, and we already have 3H2O on the left as well. So दोनों साइड से क्या हो जाएगा? It will get cancelled off, nullify हो जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, whatever remains will be the correct balanced reaction. And for verification, you have to look at the charges specifically. Can you tell me the overall charge on the left?
-6.
-6, and overall charge on the right
-6.
is -6. So since the charge is balanced, also the atoms were previously balanced, the redox is said to be balanced in terms of atoms as well as charges. So this is your balanced redox reaction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I've just done the balancing in a single step rather than writing all the steps. So if the question is asked in the theory examination, then you have to do it stepwise, the way I discussed in the previous session. But when we are moving to the entrance, these all stuff of writing the step won't be required. It will be directly the balanced reaction. You have to get it in a single or two steps. ठीक है. और questions क्या क्या आ सकते हैं? I'll just give you an idea. So basically the first question would be, which species is undergoing reduction? So we can say bismuth is undergoing reduction and tin is undergoing oxidation. ये हो गया first question. ठीक है. The species undergoing oxidation would behave as a reducing agent, and the species undergoing reduction would behave as an oxidizing agent.
Oxidized.
ठीक है. Other way around, in the question they could mark these coefficient as, let's say, A, B, C, D, E, and they might ask you any of this coefficient or some of the coefficients. So finally once you get the balanced reaction, जो भी question पूछा है कि A, B, C, D, E के individual values क्या है या sum of the coefficients क्या है, that would be easily calculated. समझा? So these are the type of questions which you might get in the entrance. For that direct balancing required है, वो steps आपको नहीं दिखाने हैं. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Then eighth बोला था कि ninth बोला था? Ninth ना? Which one? Eighth one? Okay, so eighth one is cupric oxide reacting with ammonia, giving you copper plus nitrogen gas and water. ठीक है. चलो, quickly tell me the oxidation states.
Cu plus 2,
Plus 2,
N minus 3,
minus 3,
Cu 0, N2 0.
perfect. And copper and nitrogen are the species undergoing the change. Then you observe, also balance all the atoms other than oxygen and nitrogen. Are they balanced?
No, sir. 2 NH3.
Nitrogen.
So if you have messed down on this balancing of nitrogen, you might go wrong in the other steps. Then copper is undergoing
Reduction.
and nitrogen is undergoing
Oxidation.
So how much is the increase per atom?
Plus 3.
Minus 3 to 0, that's plus 3. And the number of atoms are how many?
2.
2.
So into 2, net increase ho jayega plus 6. Decrease per atom is of
Minus 2.
minus 2. And number of atoms are 1.
1.
So net decrease भी minus 2 ही
1.
होगा. अब LCM लेंगे तो 6 होगा. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And to balance, you have to multiply this minus 2 wala part by
3.
3. So -2 किसका चेंज है?
Copper.
So कॉपर वाले स्पीशीज को मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 ऑन
both sides.
बोथ साइड्स. हो गया स्टेप 4.
Yeah.
ठीक है. फिर ऑक्सीजन का स्टेप आएगा, 3 ऑक्सीजन ऑन द लेफ्ट एंड 1 ऑन द राइट. सो आई विल बी एडिंग 2 H2O. सो जब 2 H2O और 1 H2O ऐड हो जाएगा कलेक्टिवली 3 H2O लिख सकता हूं. क्लियर?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then you check for hydrogen, it is 6 on the left and 6 on the right. So now there is no need of balancing the hydrogen atoms. So this is your final balanced reaction. Khatam. But you also understood the shortcut way of balancing. See, I have just balanced it in a single step. मैंने उतने सारे steps लिखे ही नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
I'll just do the 10th one. N2H4 plus ClO3 negative gives nitric oxide and Cl minus. Okay. So quickly 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So it will be -2 plus 5 plus 2 and -1. Okay, balance all the atoms barring oxygen, hydrogen. So nitrogen and chlorine is the atom undergoing the change, and for nitrogen I'll be multiplying 2. ठीक. उसके बाद increase is from -2 to +2, that is +4 का increase, and number of nitrogen atoms undergoing the change are 2, so the net increase will be equal to +8. Net decrease will be for chlorine, which is of -6 per atom into only one atom, so it will be -6 only. Clear यहाँ तक?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then 8 and 6 का LCM
24.
24. So to get 24, 8 को मल्टीप्लाई करो 3 से, 6 को मल्टीप्लाई करो 4 से. ठीक है. So 8 वाला स्पीशीज है नाइट्रोजन, मल्टीप्लाई नाइट्रोजन स्पीशीज ऑन बोथ साइड्स बाय 3. अब जब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, ऑलरेडी देयर वाज अ कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ 2, सो दिस विल चेंज टू
5.
6. अरे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, ऐड नहीं करना है. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 ना, सो 2 into 3 करेंगे, राइट? मिस्टेक नहीं करना वो. और फिर मल्टीप्लाई द क्लोरीन वाला स्पीशीज बाय 4. ठीक है. स्टेप 4 हो गया.
Yes,
अब
sir.
स्टेप 5 के लिए ऑक्सीजन ऑन द लेफ्ट इज 12, ऑक्सीजन ऑन द राइट इज 6. सो द डेफिशिएंसी is on the right, and for 6 you will add 6 water. उसके बाद हाइड्रोजन 3 4s are 12, nothing, and 6 2s are 12. Once again the hydrogen is already balanced, meaning step number 6 is not required, and this is an acidic medium, so this is your correctly balanced reaction. To verify, you see the charge, which is -4 on the left and -4 on the right, which is 100% verified balanced reaction. Now realize what mistake you had done.
Sir,
Ah,
so what is the compound name N2H4?
this is called hydrazine.
Okay, sir.
It is a nitrogenous compound in which amino group is bonded to amino.
Okay, sir.
Collectively it is N2H4. This is called chlorate ion. NO is called nitric oxide, and Cl minus is simply the chloride. It's better you understand the names in the reactions given. आगे काम आएगा. ठीक है. Any doubt in the assignment now? All comfortable with balancing?
Sir.
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Say.
Sir, I didn't understand sum number 4. In step 3, the decrease in the oxidation number of one atom is -1. Then I don't understand how the net decrease is -2.
See, for the peroxide, I had told you, peroxide species के लिए, you have to always consider 2 atoms because peroxy linkage is oxygen bonded to oxygen by a single bond. We had discussed this same example, na?
Yeah.
MnCl2 plus HO2 negative giving MnOH thrice and Cl negative. So first of all, chlorine को balance कर लेंगे. Mn is balanced. Mn will be +2, Mn will be +3. Oxygen in the peroxide over here is -1 and in the oxide is -2. So जब हम increase लेते हैं तो increase तो manganese का हो रहा है which is of +1 and एक ही atom है तो +1 ही होगा. अब जब peroxy के केस में when you are taking the decrease from -1 to -2, it is how much decrease? -1 to -2. -1 का decrease है
-1.
and peroxy में the oxygen and oxygen is always
Yeah.
joined by a single bond with each oxygen bearing a -1. So irrespective of number of oxygen on the right, you always consider 2 atoms का change and that's why we take -2. ये peroxy के लिए important concept है. Irrespective of oxygen because we don't balance the oxygen prior to the step number 5, na? So whenever there is peroxide, always the
Yeah.
change will be considered for 2 atoms. This is to be understood. ठीक है, उसके बाद का part तो आएगा ना?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So now the +1 should be multiplied by 2 and the Mn species would be multiplied by 2. Chlorine here changes, so we made it as 4. And then the oxygen and hydrogen का balancing along with OH minus का part. ठीक है? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now just one more part I'll discuss, then we'll move to the balancing ka part again. Redox reactions are broadly classified into 3 types. The first type is intermolecular redox. The second type is called intramolecular redox. And the third type is called self-redox reaction. This is for your information, but it is something which you should always remember for redox. Okay? First of all, tell me the difference between this commonly known words inter and intra.
Inter is within the state and intra is outside. So the within the molecule and outside the molecule.
Excellent. So you might have heard about inter-school and intra-school competitions. Inter matlab competing between different schools and intra matlab within the school. Okay, so inter is within the molecule. Sorry. Inter is between the molecule. Intra is within the same molecule. And self matlab for the same species. For same species. I'll explain with the example. First, let's say I have an example of P4 plus NO3 minus gives PO4 3 minus and NO2 and given this reaction. है ना? So the oxidation states were 0, +5, +5 and +4. So here the phosphorus is undergoing
Oxidation.
and the nitrogen is undergoing reduction. So here the redox is happening between phosphorus and nitrogen. The redox reaction is happening between phosphorus and nitrogen. So if the redox is happening between different molecules in a reaction, it will be classified as
Inter.
Inter.
redox reaction. Clear or not?
Yes.
Yes,
Then
sir.
let's say I have a reaction as KClO3 giving KCl and O2. Potassium chlorate on heating decomposes to KCl and releases oxygen. If I write the oxidation state, chlorine, because it is bonded to oxygen, will acquire an oxidation state of +5. Oxygen will acquire -2. Chlorine, when bonded to metal, will be -1 and O2 would be 0. बराबर? ठीक है ना? इस केस में क्लोरीन, yes, chlorine is undergoing a change from +5 to -1. So it is undergoing. Asmi and Raj, please respond. Others also please respond. Yes, +5 to -1. It's undergoing
Reduction.
Sorry, sir.
reduction, and -2 to 0.
Reduction.
Oxygen is undergoing oxidation.
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 So now observe here the redox is taking place within the same molecule.
So your voice is cracking.
Hello.
Yeah, so now it's over.
Audible?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here the redox is happening within the same molecule.
Yes, sir.
Chlorine and oxygen within the molecule is undergoing reduction and oxidation. So this will be an example of intramolecular redox. And now coming to one more example where P4 and OH minus gives PH3 and HPO2 2 minus. Tell me which species would undergo a change here. Observe.
Phosphorus.
Anything else?
Hydrogen.
Hydro.
Why hydrogen would undergo a change? Tell me the reason.
Because the number of molecules of hydrogen is changing.
अरे नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स चेंज होता है तो ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर चेंज होता है क्या? It is not like that.
Oxygen.
See, oxygen would change its oxidation number when it is present in the form of peroxide. When O is bonded to H, O is -2.
Yes,
And
sir.
on the other hand also, it is an oxide only because it is bonded to the H.
Yes, sir.
So दोनों केस में ऑक्सीजन एंड हाइड्रोजन चेंज ही नहीं हो रहा है. जनरली हाइड्रोजन का चेंज आप कब सोचोगे? मैं आपको एक बता देता हूँ कॉन्सेप्ट. हाइड्रोजन वुड जनरली चेंज whenever in the combined form hydrogen is changing to H2 या फिर it is in the form of hydride. जैसे when you have Na dissolved in HCl, we know that it forms NaCl with the release of H2. तुरंत आपको स्ट्राइक होना चाहिए there is a change in what?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Oxidation number.
Similarly, oxygen का change कब सोचोगे? Whenever there is oxygen released in a reaction, जैसे यहाँ पर देखोगे आप, या फिर ऑक्सीजन peroxide के फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है तब. अदरवाइज कोई भी रिएक्शन में हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन अपने कॉमन ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट में ही रहेंगे. अ पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड, अंडरस्टूड एंड रिमेंबर्ड.
So what do you mean by or hydride or peroxide?
मतलब any
Is it formed
reaction,
that?
जैसे इस रिएक्शन में डू यू सी द ऑक्सीजन रिलीज्ड,
Yes, sir.
meaning you should think about the change in the oxygen and it is definitely changing over here. ठीक है?
No, sir.
या
I
फिर
meant it means it's becoming hydride, then it's changing.
if a reaction has a hydride, then definitely there will be a change in the hydrogen. From what to what, that will be dependent on the reaction. I'm just telling you the cases where you will think कि hydrogen का change होगा यहाँ पर. I'm giving you a thought process. जैसे
Yes, sir.
in the previous reaction when we had this, जैसे ही moment you see the peroxide in the reaction, oxygen change हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है? हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है?
Changing, yes, sir.
Yes,
तो
sir.
वही मैंने बोला, हिंट क्या है? The moment you see peroxide or oxygen getting released in the reaction, think about the change in hydrogen. Otherwise, it won't change. It will never change. Similarly, oxygen या hydrogen के लिए ये आपका hint है. So इस case में there is only one species which is undergoing a change and that is phosphorus only. On the left it is 0. pH3 के case में H will have +1, so phosphorus acquires -3. HPO2 2 नेगेटिव का कैलकुलेशन कैसे करोगे? +1 फॉर हाइड्रोजन, फॉस्फोरस नहीं पता, X प्लस ऑक्सीजन का -4 एंड दैट वुड बी इक्वेटेड टू -2. कैलकुलेशन करने पर यू विल गेट X -3 इक्वल टू -2 एंड X इज इक्वल टू +1.
Yes, sir.
Here. So phosphorus is +1. Now just observe. Phosphorus is changing from 0 to -3 and it is also
Yes, sir.
changing from 0 to +1.
+1.
So in the first scenario it was undergoing
Oxidation.
Reduction.
Reduction.
and in the second one it is undergoing oxidation.
Oxidation.
So here the redox is taking place for the same species. So this type of redox is called self-redox. So it is simple. Whenever a redox is happening between different species, अगर आपका reduction oxidation अलग species के लिए हो रहा है, it is an intermolecular redox. If the redox is happening for the same molecule, within the same molecule, it is intra. If the redox is happening for the same species, it is a self-redox reaction.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
So by species in self redox, you mean the element or it can be a molecule also?
Anything. Species बोला मतलब it can be atom, it can be ion, it can be molecule, anything.
Okay, thank you.
इसलिए मैं general word use करता हूँ species. So it can mean anything. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
जो second वाला है ना, yeah. Second wala reaction, when it is intramolecular, the balancing is quite simple. The oxygen on the left are 3 and on the right are 2. So whenever there is a mismatch, 3 and 2 could be balanced as multiplying
2 and 3.
2 over here and 3 over here. So we have balanced oxygen. And chlorine के लिए will balance by multiplying 2.
2 cases. Yeah.
So intra balancing is very very simple because एक ही molecule है ना, which is undergoing the reduction and oxidation. ठीक है?
Yes.
अब self redox के लिए खाली एक point important है जो मैं बता रहा हूँ, ध्यान देना. We have understood that the reduction and oxidation is happening for the phosphorus. Now find how much is the increase. Tell me how much is the increase.
Plus one.
It is
Plus
plus 1.
+1.
Now you won't multiply this by 4 because self redox में this 4 phosphorus atom is getting splitted into PH3 and HPO2 2 negative. मतलब some atoms will be here and some will be over here.
Yes.
Yes,
You have to consider only the number of atoms on the right side where it is undergoing the change.
But sir,
मतलब
don't you have to?
ये four atoms आप consider नहीं करोगे. Just one thing, the increase when you write net increase na, it will be with respect to only these atoms which you are looking, which you are observing on the right, meaning into 1. Similarly, decrease कितना होगा? -3 का into
1.
1. और उसके बाद के सारे स्टेप सेम ही है, कुछ फर्क नहीं है.
But
मतलब
don't you have to balance the
Yeah,
phosphorus?
sir, the P
Yes,
is
sir.
balanced on both
that we
sides.
have to do over here. मैंने खत्म नहीं किया. अभी देखो, the net increase and net decrease is not balanced because the increase is of +1 and decrease is -3. फिर क्या करेंगे अगर बैलेंस करना है तो?
Multiply by 3. The
+1
first one.
वाले स्पीशीज को मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. +1 वाला स्पीशीज ये है तो I will multiply by 3. Now look at the balancing of phosphorus. P plus 3P, is it balanced?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will automatically get balanced. मतलब क्या हुआ इसका? 4 phosphorus are splitted into 1 in pH3 and 3 in the other species, right? समझा? एंड आगे का सारा स्टेप सेम है. ऑक्सीजन को बैलेंस करने के लिए 1 on the left and 6 on the right. So I will add 5H2O on the left. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes.
10 hydrogen plus 1 on the left, 11. And 3 plus 3, 6 on the right.
Yes.
So I'll balance it by adding 5H plus on the left. आ रहा है समझ में कि नए पेज पे करूँ, नए स्लाइड पे करूँ?
So 5H plus on the right.
on the right.
On the right now.
5H plus on the right, sir.
Sorry,
on
sorry,
the
it was
right.
deficient on the right. Sorry. So it will be added as 5H plus on the right. Then ये medium basic है, वो तो समझ में आना चाहिए because it is taking place with the OH negative. So in the next step, because the number of hydrogen was 1 and 10, 11 on the left,
Yeah.
and 3 plus 3, 6 on the right.
Yeah. Okay.
कहाँ पर कमी है? राइट में. कितने की है? 5 की है. तो you will be adding 5H plus.
Okay.
Then basic medium में H plus जितने हैं उतना OH minus needs to be added on both the side.
Both
If I add
sides.
5 OH minus, can I make it 6 directly?
Yes.
Or
Yes.
5H plus and 5 OH minus will give.
5H2O.
5H2O.
And 5H2O is
5H2O.
already on the left also, so this entire term can get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
नेट
sir.
में क्या दिख रहा है? I'll rewrite the equation here. What we have is P4 plus 6OH negative giving PH3 plus 3HPO2 2 negative. This is your final balanced reaction. And to verify, the charge is -6 on the left and -6 on the right. It
So
is
why did we
100%
why did
verified
we put
reaction.
6 OH minus?
Because we added 5 OH minus na, and 1 was already there in the reaction start में. So 1 plus 5, 6. समझा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this was just an additional part wherein I discussed about 3 types of redox as inter, intra and a self. Intra is simple to balance. Inter is what we are doing in the entire chapter. हमने जितने भी redox अब तक किए, they were all examples of inter only. ठीक है? And self is something wherein the redox takes place for the same species. And उसके balancing के लिए do not balance this particular part which is undergoing the reduction as well as oxidation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I'll move on to the next part. That is, again, we are understanding the concept of balancing the redox. but now by a different method. And the method is named as ion electron method. Ion electron method, which is also simply called half reaction method. Half reaction method. So half reaction से कुछ याद आया? Half reaction
हाँ
Yes, sir.
हाँ
से
half oxidation reaction and half reduction reaction.
correct. A redox reaction could be broken down into two half reaction. One where oxidation takes place and other where reduction takes place. So that could be called as oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. तो इस बैलेंसिंग में हम क्या करने वाले हैं? गिवन रिएक्शन को ब्रेक करेंगे इनटू two half reactions and individually we will go on balancing the half reaction and at the end half को add कर देंगे. So half plus half क्या होता है?
1.
Full. So we'll get the net reaction. So fundamental concept क्या है इसमें? Redox को break करना into half reaction, individually go on balancing the half reactions and then at the end just add up the two reactions. I'll take the example to explain. So we have a reaction of SnOH3 negative reacting with BiOH thrice giving Bi plus SnOH6 2 negative and the medium of the reaction is basic. Okay. Now, step 1 remains the same. Step 1 is to assign the oxidation number to the species undergoing the change and also balancing the atoms barring hydrogen and oxygen. So if you look at Sn and Bi, they are balanced on both sides.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the oxidation state of the species. Sn ka, quickly.
+3.
Plus 2.
Plus 2. It will be x minus 3 equal to minus 1, na? Plus 2. कोई डाउट इसमें?
No, sir.
Bi
Three.
plus 3. Bi neutral, bachelor.
Zero.
0. Sn
Plus four.
plus
Plus
4.
four.
So we can clearly understand that tin is undergoing
Oxidation.
oxidation and Bi is undergoing
Reduction.
reduction, and the redox is happening between the different species. So it is an example of intermolecular redox. तो हम तो वही डिस्कस कर रहे हैं फिलहाल. Now step number 3 in the oxidation number method was to get the net increase, net decrease, and step 4 में we balance the net increase with net decrease. बराबर? But now
Yes, sir.
in ion electron method, in step 3 we will now just break this reaction into two half reaction. One would be called oxidation half reaction, where obviously oxidation takes place. मतलब Sn वाला species को हम separate off कर लेंगे. SnOH thrice negative giving SnOH6 2 negative, and the reduction half will be bismuth wala species, wherein you will write BiOH thrice giving Bi. Samjha? I've just splitted this into two half reaction. Now go on balancing this by the normal concept. So once you split up, next would be a specific step of balancing of
Oxygen.
atom, and the rule remains the same. Count the oxygen on both the side. जहां पर कमी है पानी ऐड कर दो. So count the oxygen. Left में
3
कितना?
and 6.
3 and 6. Where it is deficient,
Left
hand
side.
so you will add 3H2O
Yes.
on
3H2
the
on the left hand side.
left hand side. समझा?
Yes, sir.
Reduction half reaction में how many oxygen on the left?
3.
3. Nothing on the right. So you should balance by adding
3H2 on the right
H2O
side.
on the right. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then the step number 5. After balancing oxygen, we balance
Hydrogen.
hydrogen. So this step 5 is balancing of hydrogen atom via H plus ions. Let's go back and count the hydrogen. Yes, how many on the left for OHR?
9.
3 plus 6,
9.
9. And on the right? The right,
6.
6. So where it is
6.
deficient.
Right hand side.
So I'll rewrite the OHR. It will be SnOH 3 negative plus 3H2O, giving SnOH 6 2 negative and 3H plus.
Yes, sir.
और RHR में let's see. We have 3H on the left and 6 on the right. So we'll add
3H
Three-
plus
3H plus.
3H plus on the left, right? On the left. So 3H plus giving Bi and 3H2O. Then the medium of the reaction is basic. So क्या करेंगे?
We'll add
OH
OH
minus
ions.
3H
We'll
minus.
add OH minus equal to H plus on both sides.
sides.
So my reaction would be now SnOH thrice negative plus 3H2O plus 3OH minus giving SnOH 6 2 negative plus 3H plus and 3OH minus. कुछ ऑब्जर्व किया?
Yes, sir. 3H2
Yes,
and 3H2 will get.
3H2O will get nullified because this part will be reduced to 3 moles of water.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, you can just cancel off this. RHR maybe you will add 3OH minus equal to H plus on both sides. And here
Yes, sir.
also, what is the observation?
It will get
Water will
nullified.
get cancelled.
The water is getting cancelled. समझा? तो यहाँ तक the balancing was in the similar manner. Up the step number 7 is most important. In step number 7, we will now balance the charges in both the half reaction. And the charge balancing would be done in terms of electron transfer. Because the modern definition of redox in terms of electron transfer was Lioenger. Matlab, the loss of electron is and gain of electron is.
Reduction.
So if I have ferrous changing to ferric, what is this change called?
Oxidation.
Oxidation. And if I want to balance the charges on both sides, what should I do in terms of electron?
Multiply 2 and
Increase the
Add 1 electron
Molecule.
on the left hand side.
Add 1 electron on the
Right hand side.
right hand side. Why? Because this plus 2 charge would be balanced by plus 3 with the gain of 1 electron, na? And this 1 electron which is on the right indicates the loss of the electron, and that loss further confirms that this is an oxidation reaction.
Yes, sir.
समझा?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, अगर मेरे पास कुछ ऐसा है SN4 plus giving SN2 plus, this indicates reduction. And how many electrons need to be gained for undergoing this change? So I'll add 2 electrons on the left. So can I generalize, if the electrons are added on the right, it indicates the loss, and the loss indicates oxidation. If the electrons are added on the left, it indicates the gain of electron, and that further indicates reduction. So this is how we can visualize any oxidation and reduction. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
कुछ doubt यहाँ तक?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So applying the same concept over here, what is to be done is, you see the total charge on the left and total charge on the right, and balance the charge using the electron transfer. So step 7 is what? Balancing via electron. So tell me, how much is the charge you see on the left?
-4.
-4. How much on the right?
-2.
-2. So what you will do?
Add 2 electrons left side.
Add 2 electrons on the left या right? राइट में ऐड करोगे ना. -4 है और -2 को बैलेंस करना है तो +2e माइनस लिखेंगे. मैं देखो इसका एक सिंपल पार्ट बताता हूँ. वी हैड -4 ऑन द लेफ्ट एंड -2 ऑन द राइट. अब मैथमेटिकली इस -4 को -2 से इक्वेट अगर करना है तो क्या करोगे? -2 ऑन द राइट करोगे. अब इक्वल है कि नहीं? अब व्हाट इज -2? इट इज 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज ना. बस सिंपल मैथमेटिक्स अप्लाई किया. और एक चीज, जब ऑक्सीडेशन है तो आपका इलेक्ट्रॉन हमेशा कहाँ अपीयर होना चाहिए? ऑन द लेफ्ट और ऑन द राइट?
Right.
ये भी तो आपका हिंट है ना कि ऑक्सीडेशन है मतलब राइट पे ही इलेक्ट्रॉन अपीयर होना चाहिए. सिमिलरली रिडक्शन हाफ रिएक्शन में सी द चार्ज ऑन द लेफ्ट कितना है? 0.
0.
एंड ऑन द राइट -3. सो अगर मुझे इसको इक्वेट करना है तो -3
Plus 3
करूंगा.
electrons.
तो -3 का मतलब क्या? 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन का एडिशन ऑन द लेफ्ट. दिस इज द मेन फंडा. BiOH thrice plus 3e minus giving Bi plus 3OH negative. समझा? Is this clear up till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, mic mute karo please. So when I say electron transfer or define redox in terms of electron transfer, a redox would be balanced only when the total electrons lost equals to the total electrons gained.
Yes.
Because
Yes, sir.
जितना लॉस होगा उतना ही तो गेन होगा. कहीं बाहर से तो नहीं आने वाला है ना इलेक्ट्रॉन. So a redox reaction is said to be balanced when the number of electrons lost becomes equal to number of electrons
Gain.
gained. Look at the reaction and tell me how much was the loss.
2e minus
2 electrons.
And how much was the gain?
3.
3 electrons.
So now to balance, you have to again take the LCM. The total lost and total gained should be 6. और 6 बनाने के लिए you have to multiply this entire OHR by
3.
entire RHR by
2.
2. Entire Q because अब total electrons हो जाएंगे
6.
6 lost and 6 gained.
Gain.
And if that is balanced, then your reaction will be said to be balanced. समझा? फाइनली मैंने क्या बोला था? हाफ और हाफ को ऐड करो तो आपको मिलेगा फुल रिएक्शन, नेट रिएक्शन. And when I'm saying multiply by 3, मतलब this species will become thrice. This will become
9 times.
9.
this will become
3.
Right.
3. This multiplied by 2 मतलब यहाँ पे 2 आएगा stoichiometry, यहाँ पे भी 2 आएगा and this will change to
6.
6. Now when you are adding, you should add the reactants first and then the products. बराबर ना? पहले LHS add करोगे और बाद में RHS. So the net reaction would be 3SnOH3 minus plus 9OH minus plus 2BiOH thrice. रिएक्टेंट को एक लाइन पे लिख लो, प्रोडक्ट को दूसरी लाइन पे, and the product would be 3SnOH6 2 negative plus 2Bi and plus 6OH minus. Observe one thing.
9OH minus and 6OH minus will get cut.
So this 6 if I balance over here, total क्या आ जाएगा? 3OH minus ना? ये अपना फाइनल बैलेंस्ड रिएक्शन है. वेरीफाई कर लेते हैं. 3 into -1 -3 again -3 -6 हो गया and this will be 3 into -2 -6 0. So total is -6 which is balanced on both the sides. Hence it is 100% foolproof, verified, balanced redox reaction. समझा?
Yes, sir.
So the bottom line is, in ion electron or half reaction method, break the reaction into OHR, RHR, balance it individually as we had done in the oxidation number method, and at the end, when you are balancing via electron, just loss and gain should be balanced properly, and then just add up the half reactions to get the net reaction. खत्म. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is there any compulsion that we have to use any one method or we can use any method?
No, it will be specified in the question. The question would be balance the following reaction by oxidation number method या half reaction या ion electron method. So whatever is mentioned in the question, you have to follow that method in theory.
Okay.
But if I ask you which reaction is more simpler, which method is simpler?
The first one.
Oxidation number.
The second one is a bit lengthy. The first one is a better method. ठीक है, तो जब हम एंट्रेंस पढ़ेंगे या एंट्रेंस से सॉल्व करेंगे, we'll be just following the oxidation number method. ठीक है, I'll take one more example, but now I'll do in the shortcut method. Steps I have just discussed in the previous example in detail. I hope that is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So I
sir.
have an example of I2 plus H2O3 2 minus giving S4O6 2 minus and I minus. अच्छा, वो strike हुआ looking at S4O6 2 minus? Strike हुआ? होना चाहिए.
The tetrathionate something.
Tetrathionate.
Thionate.
Very good. And क्यों बताया था ये मैंने?
So it has a
Average.
Very good. The concept of average oxidation number was discussed with the help of this example only, wherein you should always remember that the 4 sulfur atoms don't have the similar oxidation state. 2 of the sulfur had +5 and 2 had 0. The average was taken to be +2.5. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's assign the oxidation number for the other species now. I2
Zero.
0. S would be, it will be 2x minus 6 equal to -2
2 plus 2.
plus 2 आ रहा है, and I with a minus is directly -1. So iodine is undergoing reduction and sulfur is undergoing
Oxidation.
also. Balance all the atoms apart from hydrogen and oxygen.
2s2o3.
I2 के लिए 2I माइनस और S2 और S4 के लिए 2S2.
2s2.
ये करना जरूरी है. Clear? Now I'll just
Yes,
break
sir.
up this reaction into two halves, that is OHR and RHR. So the species undergoing oxidation is sulfur, so I'll write twice of S2O3 2 minus, giving S4O6 2 minus, and reduction में I2 is giving 2I minus. ठीक है?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then in the step 4, we'll start balancing oxygen followed by hydrogen, and if the medium is acidic, we will stop at that, and if it is basic, we'll continue for one more step. ठीक है, ये acidic medium है. So look at the oxygen. How many?
Balance.
6.
6, and also 6 on the right, so it's already balanced.
Balance.
And इधर तो oxygen है ही नहीं. So the step number 4, the balancing of oxygen will not be required. So आप सीधा लिखोगे balancing of oxygen not required. So अगर oxygen balancing not required है, will hydrogen balancing be required?
No.
No,
Suppose
sir.
not, तो वो भी नहीं होगा. मतलब जो हमने ये लिखा हुआ है, that is itself the two half reactions which are balanced in terms of atoms. Now to balance in terms of charges, you look at the charge. Step number 7 की बात कर रहा हूँ. Following ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So -4 on the left and -2 on the right.
Into
-4
plus
and
2
-2.
electrons on the right.
So 2 electrons should be added on the right, which will indicate loss of 2 electrons, right?
Yes, sir.
And 0 and -2 would be balanced as 0
Plus
minus
2
2.
electrons on the left.
So 2 electrons on the left. Ab step 7 में the electrons which are lost should be equal to electrons which are
In.
Gained.
now this is already balanced, so I don't have to do anything in this step. I have to just add the two half reactions now. So इसमें actually आपका जो stoichiometry था वो starting में ही balance हो गया, and that itself is the balanced reaction, meaning it will be I2 plus 2S2 O3 2 negative giving S4 O6 2 negative and 2I minus. And to confirm, if you look at the charge, it is -4 and -4, which is a foolproof verified reaction. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Simple है ना?
Yes, sir.
I'll take one more example again in a shortcut manner. It is SnO2
So,
2 negative. Yeah.
so in the last sum, was it required to do the OHR and RHR?
Yes, the steps need to be shown,
Okay, sir.
because the breakdown of the half reaction method में OHR and RHR तो लिखना ही पड़ेगा ना?
So, but it is balanced from the start, right?
Yeah, it is balanced
After
from the
putting
start.
two.
But just we are following the steps because of the method.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, as a shortcut method, first step में ही समझ में आ जाएगा कि reaction already balanced है. Nothing else is to be done.
Okay, sir.
But when it comes to the theoretical method, you have to just show the steps.
Okay, sir.
So SnO2 2 negative plus BiOH thrice giving SnO3 2 negative and Bi. And the medium of the reaction is basic. So let's start. Oxidation numbers. Yes. X minus 4 minus 2 plus 4. How? 2. It's x minus 4 equal to minus 2. So x will be equal to plus 2. Bismuth would be plus 3.
Plus 3.
Sn in this species will get
Plus 4.
plus 4 and
Plus
Bi
4.
bachelor
0.
0.
0.
0. So we now know that SN is undergoing
Oxidation.
oxidation and Bi is undergoing
Reduction.
Reduction.
So let's break this into OHR and RHR. The OHR will involve SN species, which is SnO2 2 minus giving SnO3 2 minus, and the RHR will include Bi wala species, BiOH thrice, say Bi. I'm doing all the steps in this only. Yeah? Yes, start. Balancing of oxygen.
3 SnO2 minus and 2 SnO3 minus 2 minus.
Why? Why
Oh,
you
no,
multiply?
sorry. We'll add H2O.
One H2O on the left.
See, SN atoms are already balanced.
Yeah,
Oxygen ko
confused.
dekhna hai, so it will be adding one H2O on the left. And for Bi wala species, it will be adding
3 H2O.
H2O on the right. Next step, H plus ke liye. So 2 hydrogen, nothing on the right, will be balanced
2H
as 2H plus. 3 on the left and 6 on the right would be balanced by adding 3H plus.
3H plus.
3H plus.
Getting it? Then add the OH minus ions equal to the H plus. So I'll add 2 OH minus and 2 OH minus. With this, also observe that this will become twice H2O and this was 1 H2O. So यहाँ से एक गायब हो जाएगा and overall I'll get 1 H2O. चलेगा ना?
Yes, sir.
And this will be added with 3 OH minus on both the sides. Then observe that this will give 3 H2O, which will be balanced with 3 H2O on the right. Clear? So till the basic medium OH minus part is over. अब step number 7 की बात करते हैं. Charge balancing in terms of electron. इसलिए इसको ion electron method बोलते हैं या half reaction method. Now the name is justified. है ना?
Yes, sir.
So now 2 minus and 2 minus, that's 4 minus and 2 minus on the right. So should be balanced as
Plus 2 electrons
Plus 2
on the right hand side.
Yeah.
so it's better that you say 2 electrons need to be lost. है ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And here
0 and
Three.
3 minus.
Three
Three
electrons
on-
need to be gained.
Just
3 electrons
left.
need to be gained. Perfect. Good. And now for balancing this half reaction, the total electron lost should be equal to gained. So mismatch है तो
Yes,
क्या
sir.
करोगे?
Into 3
LCM.
entire reaction.
into 2.
Into two
LCM
on the
and
low.
then multiply this entire OHR by 3 and entire RHR by
By 2.
2. Clear? समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
So now I'll add up the two half reaction to get the net reaction. So this 3 will be included in all the species. So left side क्या हो रहा है? 3 SnO2 2 negative plus 6 OH minus plus 2 BiOH thrice. Electron तो cancel हो ही चुका है ना? And then from the right side I'll have 3 SnO3 2 minus plus 3 H2O and 2 Bi plus 6 OH minus. But the 6 OH minus would also get cancelled. And now what you see is your overall balanced reaction. Verify kar lo, charges -6 and -6. Charge balanced matlab reaction balanced. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that completes the second method of balancing the reaction. So in the question, if it is asked by oxidation number method, follow the first method. And by ion electron या half reaction method, follow this particular method which we have discussed. ठीक है? Now just one more part and then we'll find out. There is a concept of stock notation. Stock notation is used to identify the oxidation state of a metal in the salts. It indicates the oxidation number of metal in salts, and that is indicated in Roman numeral. For example, when I write NaCl, we know that oxidation state of Na plus is +1. So this could be written in stock notation as Na, Roman numeral 1 and Cl. So many a times in the laboratory, when you look at some solutions, there might be indication of the salt solution in the form of stock notation. So that clearly gives you the idea of Na in the +1 state, the oxidation state of sodium. Okay, this will be helpful for the atom or metal which exhibits more than one oxidation state. Na के लिए तो fixed है, but if I have Fe as FeCl2 versus FeCl3, do we know the difference?
Yes.
The first one is
Fe Roman number 2.
Fe2Cl2.
yes, and the second one is
Fe Roman number 3.
Fe3Cl3.
the oxidation state of the metal is +2 in the first and +3 in the second. So the stock notation of this particular salt could be written as Fe Roman numeral 2 Cl2 and then Fe Roman numeral 3 and Cl3. This is just a way of identifying the oxidation state. ठीक है, फिर SnCl4 दिया हो तो what is oxidation state of the metal?
S Roman number 4. Sn Roman number 4.
Correct. +4 would be indicated as Sn Roman numeral 4 and Cl4. Then we can have AuCl3. Auric chloride बोलते हैं. Auric. Gold का aurum होता है ना?
+3.
+3. So it will be written as Au Roman numeral 3 and Cl3.
Cl3.
So just remember that stock notation is the identification of oxidation number of metal in Roman numeral in the salts. You might also have two metals in a particular substance like dichromate. So in that case, generally the D block wala metal या जिसका variable oxidation state है, that is indicated in Roman numeral because potassium anyways has a fixed oxidation number, even Na का fixed है. ठीक है, तो generally जिसका variable oxidation number होता है ना, in that case the stock notation is very helpful. Like in this case, the chromium has an oxidation state of +6, which could be written as K2Cr Roman numeral 6 2O7. समझा?
Yes, sir.
So that is a short explanation about stock notation. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so we have completed the balancing by second method and a concept of stock notation. Plus at the start, I also discussed about a very important part, the types of redox, which is classified as inter, intra and a self redox. Clear?